What's going on? This is Ken from OSR. As some of you may already know, I was in Japan later half of last month, April. Now I am back here in Ohio. I like to just share what I saw and what I did in Japan. There happened to be a custom car show in Japan that I visited. I saw many awesome cars, tune-up cars, audio systems. It was a blast. I have to share. So I'm making this blog series to share what I saw. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, if you don't know that I wasn't here last month, please make sure to follow Ohio Street Riders and Photography page on the Facebook, because that's where I post my updates and everything from where I was. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Before I start this blog, I'd like to make an announcement. This is a GTR magazine I bought in Japan. There's a bookstore near my parents' house, so I got this GTR magazine from that bookstore, and this time I'm gonna give away this GTR magazine to one of our fans. How you can win this GTR magazine? Easy! Please comment on all the videos that I'm going to post for this video series. You can say, great, awesome, rise out, I love you, I hate you. Well, I really don't like the negative comment, but you can comment anyway. Of all the comments that I'm going to see on the comment section of the YouTube, I will randomly select a person whose comment I like the most. So please comment something nice and motivating so I can keep going on this video series. Okay, I talked enough. I know you guys can't wait to watch the video. Let's go! Good morning, this is Ken. As you can see, we're preparing to leave in few hours. So. Check-in here, self-check-in. Security gate checked. Off to the gate. There. Sitting in far back. Off to Detroit. Detroit. It was only 30 minutes flight, but we're here. Unloading. We'll get the luggage, get on the connection flight in about a few hours. Well, I'm already here in Japan. Now it's just a Japanese restaurant in Detroit airport. Gate 34. Let's go to Japan. Okay, I am seated on the international flight off to Japan. I just hope that I don't get kicked out from this seat. I'm scared. I'm chicken. About 2 hours into the flight and I'm hungry and I got a dinner, ravioli. After 13 hours and a half, we are here. We are here in Japan. I'm sleepy, tired, jet lag. But we're here. Well, I thought I came to Japan, but I am actually in Korea. You don't wanna be stuck up on. No, it's not a quick change of schedule. We were going to be in Korea. Surprise! Well, just gonna make a quick stop here, and tomorrow I'm gonna go to Japan. Ken reporting from Incheon, Korea. You see that Korean letters? I'm at Incheon Airport right now. Well, good morning. I spent the night in Korea last night, so now I'm heading to Japan. Yes, but this Incheon airport is so packed. So many people. Of course, this is one of the biggest airports in Asia, but I'll be in Japan in the next few hours. Doing our check-in. Next Kia model. K7 Kia model. Think about Incheon Airport. Duty-free shops are like department store. There are so many of them in here. Almost like walking in a department store. It's awesome. To Sendai. Got to pick up a breakfast. Oh yes. Looks so good. Yep. Water. Oh, airplane to Japan is so small.
Oh my god.
We're flying to regional airport. We're not going to Tokyo, we're not going to Osaka. No, we're going out regional airport. That small. Boarded to Sendai. This flight is only gonna be 2 hours. 2 hours. What a short flight. But exciting. This is great. I'm sure they taste great.
다시 한번 확인해 주시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다. Ladies and gentlemen, we will land soon. Please check that your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
Yep, that's the coast of Japan, east coast of Japan, Sendai, where tsunami hit the hardest here around Sendai in 2011. As you can see, along on the coast area, there's not much building because they all got washed away. So you see a lot of open spots along on the coast. But if you go inland, there are more building in there. They were saved. We are here in Japan. After about 48 hours we left the US. We are here. My homeland, my home country, Japan. Can you believe we are in Japan and there's like nobody in this building? Because we are in a small regional airport. But we are in Japan after about 48 hours of connecting and sitting, but we're here. I just got off the airport, and in the parking lot this is what I see. Sprinter Torano. Yes, it's real. It's real Torano. Woo! That's why I love Japan. I can't believe I was born here. This is awesome. Everything is so awesome. My father driving. Of course. The driver is on the right side. Weird, but that's what cars in Japan do. Good morning!
Good morning.
Here I am at Sendai Custom Car Festival. Over here we're gonna go in a few minutes, but for now I'm gonna go look for parking lot cars, which are very nice. So stay tuned. Accord Euro R. That's actually TSX in US, but it's Accord here. And of course Integra. Here's Landmark X from Toyota. And here's another Toyota Crown. Hybrid Crown. Oh my god, look at this Lexus. Is this GS? I think it's a GS. God damn, it's awesome. It's touching the ground literally. What can I say? I'm speechless. Yes. And here's minivan slam. Estima from Toyota. And here's a Japanese Shiba dog. And here's a K car slam. And over here, look what we have. R34 GTR, of course. In the parking lot, not even in the show. I'm not even in the show yet. And I already see nice cool cars. R34 GTR. And of course, a Japanese minivan, a VIP minivan. And BMW, of course. And who do we have there? The Subaru. Subaru is parking. Nicely suited up. Oh, here's the S15. Just drove by. And he's parking right now. Honda Odyssey, Japanese version. Not US Odyssey. Nice. What can I say? Nice. Honda Odyssey and Honda Jade sitting next to each other. Really nice. Honda Jade, Honda Odyssey. I wish they bring these cars to US. I really wish they do. And look who we have. Majesta and GS. GS slammed to the ground. Majesta with that brake. Crazy. GS slammed to the ground, but look how clean they are. They're like spotless, you know? How often can you see those spotless, clean, slammed car? Not often. Oh, this is Crown. Crown Athlete. Very nice. Of course, there's a Eclipse. This is a Spider, I think. Nice. Very nice. Oh, wait. Here's something that you don't see at all in US. A Lexus LS VIP Slam JDM. Man, that's nice. And this car's from Narita. The tag says Narita. Pretty far drive. Very nice. Very nice. Rows of minivans. Yeah, they came together. Rows of minivans. Yes. They're gorgeous. Check-in or sale.
お二人様。
はい。
Oh, yes.
はい。開始です。すいません。あとバンド巻いてもらってください。
はい、すみません。
はい。入場の時に必要になりますので、会員の
はい、お願いします。ここいただいてですか。
あ、はい。
はい、そうです。はい、いただきました。Alright, here we go to the show! Yes. Suzuki K-Van, K-Truck, Underglow LEDs. And here, look at the trunk system. Look at the animation they're playing. Yes. Yes.
They have screen on the side door.
Right, there's a screen on the side, inside of the door. Nice. What can I say? Nice. Kicker with. Look, they brought this car from US. That's right-hand drive Infinity. Awesome paintwork. No, I think it's a wrap actually. And of course it's GTR. GTR, of course, with right-hand drive. Yes. And that sexy wheel. Oh, look at this tail. kale. Whatever going on in the tail, it's awesome. Well, this lady said she's thirsty, so she's gonna have this energy drink.
I know. I know.
外人の
なるほど。日本人です。
そうそうそうそうはい Green energy drink we're gonna try
Made in Italy.
It's really from Italy.
Italy? A green energy drink from Italy.
ありがとう。ありがとう。
はい、すいません。So try that.
飲みながら歩くと怒られるんでこっちで。
あ、すいません。
全然こっちで飲んでもらっていい。
Alright, here we go. Trunk setup. Oh, I want it! My goal here, maybe? This is what car? What car is this? Look at these trunk doors and stuff. It's awesome! I don't know what to say anymore. It's just awesome. Is this Fayette? I don't know, to be honest. But I know that they look great. Is Daihatsu another K car? And look next to it. Yes, R34 GTR. R with all the body kits. Man, isn't this sexy? Yes, this is with all the spoilers. Oh, that's good.
I was a little sleepy.
Very nice. With advanced wheels. Let's go look at the back of the car. I can't go from that way, so I'm gonna go from that way. R34 GTR, yes, it's real, it's not fake. Very nice. And here we have Honda Elysian. That's also another Japanese only model car from Honda. Very nice. It's got some air ride or whatever and sounds awesome. Look at this gorgeous interior. Very nice. Very nice. Honda Elysian Mugen Edition. Total custom support pumpkins. Rolling special. That's who they made this car. This car is actually here for people to listen the sound system that this company makes. Audio Car Gallery, ACG. They specialize in car audios. Well, I guess of course they specialize in customizing car too, but it says over there you can try, get in and listen to it. You just need to ask them. Here's a store, they sell the goods and stuff. Oh my god, maybe I want one of these diecast model cars. Very nice. Very nice. Well, here they're in the radio controlled truck racing, drift racing. Yes. Can you recognize these cars? That's 240. Here's RX-7. Here's the truck, drifting truck. Woo! more draft days. Subaru, and is that a GT86? And here are the drivers. And there are more drivers. Great! There's another one. Yeah, truck driver, truck drifter. I can watch this all day. Oh, spin out. This is worst. It's a badass car. That's what it says. Go Aku. Very nice. This truck coming. Pit stop. There's another truck. Pit stop.
They only said driver.
Hey, they do? There's driver inside?
Driver inside.
Yes, there is driver inside. There's driver inside this truck. Almost looks like a Terminator driver. Very nice. Take it off. Push, push. That's like JDM style truck. That's like US style truck. I'll be back. Alright, continue on our tour. The BMW, of course. M3? M4? I don't know. Oh, M4. Very nice. Oh, so this one actually has Sound Freaks, total audio and visual. So this car was tuned by this company sound-wise. Same thing here. This car is also tuned by Sound Company. They specialize in sound system. This BMW also. Continue to more German. More German. Got the sexy BBS wheel. Ah, ありがとうございます。はい。Look at this trunk system. Hey, kicker subs. That's what I have. Looks like they were on magazine one time. So this is Mazda 6. Oh, so this is Mazda 6. Didn't look like Mazda 6. I thought it was like Volkswagen or something. Really nice. He just told me that I can get inside and listen to their sound system, which I really love to do, but it's okay for now. But this interior work, very nice. Continue to next booth. Here's the Mercedes with yellow touch. Oh my god. Look at the tweeter LEDs. And more yellow touch interior. Look at this trunk thing. It's too bad if they lift this seat back up, they can't see it, but I guess they built it for show car anyway, show purpose anyway, so they don't care. But really nice. Really nice. So looks like this car was also featured on a magazine, Mercedes magazine, and was introduced Every inch of car was introduced in this magazine. What they did, what kind of audio spec they have. Oh my god, just look at that gorgeous. Oh no. I don't know what to say anymore. Hey, I want this LED lettering. So that looks like capacitor, fuse box, one monitor, fuse block, 3 amps, 2 facing this way, 1 facing that way. I mean 3 subs and 3 amps inside of this clear board. Oh, this is gorgeous.
How they place the monitoring?
Just pay attention to all the details. Small screen here, LED here. Everything is so detailed. And the door, of course. This door panel's been customized with these. Very nice. And here's another, actually, a Jeep. Look at that huge wheel. Can I tell the size? No, I can't tell the size. Maybe 30? It's huge. And that trunk setup. Kicker sub. Oh wait, this car was also on the magazine. They were featured on the magazine. Look at the tail exhaust. And here. This is not for kids. It's for adult only.
Why are you doing it?
Very nice. Not for kids though, but look at this huge wheel. Oh wait, they cut out the area here to fit this tire. It's huge! Oh my god, inside there's more. Oh, I don't know what to say. I'll try to keep my mind straight, but here's 2 amps, air tank for it, air suspension, compressor, the voltage meter, I guess that's audio. Oh, it's the battery. It's the battery. Oh my god. That's inside. Here's a close look of what's inside. Look at the center console. It's all modified. Here's a screen. Oh my god, here's the air tank, how it looks from inside. Oh my god. I'm speechless. I am speechless on this Jeep. I don't know what to say. Probably the most modified sound-wise, sound system-wise, most modified Jeep I've ever seen. In fact, it didn't go up, it went down. It didn't lift itself up, it went down. Which, that's how I like it, but yes. There's another Toyota Estima. Nicely lowered. Project Mu big brake kit. I mean, look at the interior work. Look at the interior work. This is all suede. And all white interiors. Bet they're hard to keep it clean, but they don't care, these things. They keep it clean anyway. Oh man. There's a big sub sitting in the back. Big sub. And of course, whole sound system. It sounds so well. Almost too well. So all these have been redone. The interior is all redone.
louder, but I think they're keeping it quiet because it's inside show. Alright, next stop.
Okay, did you like the video? I hope you did, but I think this is good enough for first video because I have 90 minutes of show coverage and I can't keep you in front of the YouTube for 90 minutes in one day. So I think I'm gonna end the first one this time and I'll be back with the second one next week. And as always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Rise out!